In this module, we're going to show you how to build and nurture an email list that not only grows but actually buys from you again and again. Because the real power in digital product sales doesn't come from one-time purchases, it comes from turning those buyers into repeat customers. And that starts with your list. If you followed the funnel structure from earlier modules, you're already building your email list by offering a lead magnet, like a free planner, checklist, or workbook. But once they're on your list, what happens next? Let's walk through the strategy. Step 1. Send a welcome sequence. This is where you build trust and remind them why they signed up. Tell them what they can expect. Deliver the lead magnet. Share a little about why you created your brand. Let them know more is coming. Step 2. Share regular value. At least once or twice a week, send short, helpful emails. These can be quick tips related to your niche, personal stories that connect behind-the-scenes content, inspirational quotes with commentary sneak peeks of upcoming products. This keeps your audience engaged, warm, and ready to buy when you promote something new. Step 3. Make offers regularly. Don't be afraid to sell. You can offer your own digital products. Product bundles from the Ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault, or even affiliate products that align with your audience. A good rule of thumb? Give value 80% of the time, sell 20% of the time. And remember, even if you only have 100 subscribers, that's 100 people who've raised their hand and said, "I'm interested." You don't need a massive list to make real money. Step 4. Use automation to stay consistent. Tools like Auber, which gives you up to 500 subscribers for free, make it easy to create follow-up sequences, build landing pages, and send regular broadcasts. With just 1 or 2 hours a week, you can keep your list active and your sales coming in on autopilot. Step 5. Promote affiliate products to increase earnings. Once you have a list, you're no longer just a seller, you can also become an affiliate. Find high-quality digital products, many of which are listed on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or ClickBank, and promote them using your affiliate link. Every sale you generate equal pure profit with no product creation required. It's a full-circle strategy. Use affiliate networks to grow your list. Then use your list to become an affiliate marketer yourself. This is how you turn digital product income into long-term, recurring income. In the next module, we'll go over bundling strategies, subscription models, and smart upsells, so you can boost your earnings without creating more content. Let's keep scaling.